Good afternoon. Here we are going to discuss about Unit 5 of electromagnetic theory, that is electromagnetic waves. In this, we are going to learn about the wave equation, wave polarization and transmission of EM waves. Initially going to discuss about the wave equation. One of the most fundamental equation of all electromagnetics is the wave equation, which shows that all waves travels at a single speed, the speed of light. Del cross h is equal to del into del dot h minus del square h. Already we have know. Where the left side of the above equation simplifies the curl of a vector, the first term on the right side is known as the gradient of the divergence. Here, the del of del dot h is 0. Therefore, del square h is given as del square hx hy hz is equal to dou square hx by dou x square plus dou square hx by dou y square plus dou square hx by dou z square for all the axes. Similarly, for second is given for the hy axis and another one is for the z axis. From the above, we can write del cross h equal to minus del square h. Therefore, similarly, del cross E equal to minus del square E. Del cross E is equal to minus dou B by dou T, that is from actual equation, that is equal to minus mu into dou H by dou T, since B equal to mu H. By substituting the above equation in del cross E, we got del cross E equal to minus mu into dou by dou T of del cross H. The del cross H can be dou by dou T of del cross H can be rewrite as minus del square E. By substituting in Ampere's law, we got minus mu into dou by dou T of del cross H. If J is 0, we obtain the equation as minus mu epsilon dou by dou T of dou E by dou T. Therefore, del square E is equal to mu epsilon dou square E by dou T square. This is the vector form of wave equation, one-dimensional wave equation. It is in terms of x-axis, we can rewrite as del square E equal to mu epsilon dou square Ex by dou T square. That is scalar wave equation. Let us discuss about uniform plane waves in lossless dielectric. For a perfect or lossless dielectric, the properties are given as sigma equal to 0, epsilon equal to epsilon naught epsilon r, and mu equal to mu naught mu r. In both free space medium and lossless dielectric medium, sigma is equal to 0. So the analysis of wave propagation is much similar in both cases. But as the permeability and permittivity values are different, then expression in both cases get varied. Therefore, the velocity of propagation v equal to 1 by root of mu epsilon. This is the velocity of waves. Therefore, the velocity can be rewrite as c divided by root of mu r into epsilon r meter per second, where c is the velocity of light. Similarly, the propagation constant is given as gamma is equal to root of j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon. Its unit is meter minus 1. By substituting sigma epsilon value in the above equation, we got propagation constant as root of minus j omega root of mu epsilon, and also the attenuation constant is 0. Phase constant beta is equal to w by root of mu epsilon, and intrinsic impedance is given as root of j omega mu divided by sigma plus j omega epsilon. So therefore, finally the intrinsic impedance can be rewrite as 377 divided by root of mu r by epsilon r in ohms. Uniform plane wave in lossy dielectric. In lossy dielectric, there is some losses in the dielectric medium. For lossy dielectric means it is a poor insulator. Here the sigma conductivity is not equal to 0. Therefore, the propagation constant is given as root of j omega mu into sigma plus j omega epsilon. Rearranging, we got gamma is equal to root of j omega epsilon into 1 plus sigma by j omega epsilon into j omega mu. Therefore, gamma is equal to alpha plus j beta. that is j omega root of mu epsilon into root of 1 minus j omega by epsilon. Now the intrinsic impedance eta is equal to root of j omega mu divided by sigma plus j omega epsilon. We can express the intrinsic impedance as eta equal to root of mu by epsilon into 1 by root of 1 minus j into sigma plus omega epsilon in ohms. The angle theta n is given as theta n equal to half into pi by 2 minus tan inverse of root omega epsilon divided by sigma. Thank you all.